we're at Walmart doing some errand running, and we came across the clearance section, and I had to go get a cart. Check this out. Oh, hey honey, they can set those down now. Wow, so far we've seen these little plushies here going for around $20. These ones have a 100% sell-through rate at 3 to 5 hours. Here are 3 Star Wars figures that are selling for $3, and it looks like we can get at least $13 for these, probably even more around Christmas time, so I think we'll grab these.
I stumbled upon more dog leashes, and we have such good luck with dog leashes. Look how great these are, $4.50. And when you're a hunter, you really like to have camo, even for your doggies.
Now, you know that Jurassic Park items are super collectible, people really love them. These ones are selling for $4, and we know that we can get at least $15 a piece for them, even more around Christmas time. There's 3 different kinds, and look at how big of a shelf here.
Oh my goodness.
We may need to go back and get another cart. Okay, so when we were at Kohl's the other day, we found these exact same set. We found a bunch of the Leonardo ones, and they have Michelangelo, Donatello. We're going to pick up these 2 and hope to find Raphael, so we'll have a complete set to sell at one point. So, sweet.
I found these guys $39.99 plus shipping. They sold on eBay, and I found one whole set, so I think we're gonna give it a shot.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And for only $3 a piece, that's $18 for the set. We should make about 20 bucks on those.
Yeah.
Nice. We came here because we're going on vacation and we needed some automatic watering things for a few of our plants, and we left with some retail arbitrage.
Entire basket of dinosaurs. Which woman should we torture? Take a guess. I say 333.
225.
How much? 387. I was right.
Oh my gosh, wow, you win. So as you see here on the receipt, we got 88 items there. Oh my gosh, and for $387.39, and that's a total of $4.40 per item here. So not so bad. A lot of these things are going for $15, $20 a piece.
And
no problem.
Great setup and opportunity for us for Christmas and for all the other wonderful holidays around that time.
No doubt. We are gonna profit huge off these, and let's hope we can find the Raphael so we have a whole set here.
Yeah.
Well guys, if you haven't checked out the clearance aisle at your local Walmart, we suggest that you do, especially if you resell on eBay, Amazon, all those types of places. And gosh guys, thanks for joining us today.
Bye.
Hope you had a good time.
Good luck at Walmart. Keep us posted.
Right. Hats off to you.